And this is how it is. Oh, it's a lot of space here. And if you look to the other side, there's the $5 tent of Inigo. $5 tent.
$5.
Darling, itong asawa ko. Kumain yan, pang tatlong tao.
Kinakain ko lang yung mga batang nagugutom.
The tents, they are already set up. The chairs. You know, Chef Inigo is preparing the preparing the franchise of Diwata Paris Overload.
Thank you, Diwata.
This is Paris. This is soup. There is seafood. And the chef.
Kaya, brand ng sasakyan. Ganun.
O paano pag walang nasagot?
Ayun. Ayun, natalo. Safeguard.
Palmolive.
Palmolive shampoo yun!
O iba yun siguro ba to? Oo, o yun sa sinasabi ko.
Yeah!
Ano to sa'yo?
Thank you.
Ay, salamat kagawad!
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Spaghetti pa. Ang galing! Oh, wala yung pataas.
O, pababa lang kinanta nyo.
Oh, spaghetti.
Word kasi na depression, minsan self na eh.
Oo, ginagawa na ng popcorn eh.
Gusto ko lang.
Oh, good evening guys. Yeah, it is time to go to bed now. Basically this is just like this. I'll just put it like this. And when I sleep, I normally just lay down like this. And when it is cold, put this one. Yeah, just like that. Yo, good morning guys. You know, this is my vomit last night. So basically we arrived here yesterday around 3 o'clock. Yeah, I was coming from my apartment in Newcastle, and then I drive to Nelson Bay to pick up Inigo with his cooked food. Yeah, we drive to the house of Ariana to pick them up because they are going to be the guide to come here in the camping ground. This is a camping ground, and yeah, this is a private camping ground, and it is $27 for one car to get inside here. Yeah, for 2 people already. This is like an peninsula. I mean, there's no other way but to get out on that side. And look at the water here. Yeah, it's clear, very clear. Let's keep on walking because oh, there's this sleeper here. Let's keep on walking because later when they are get up from the bed, I won't be able to vlog like this because my focus will be with them. Yeah, you see, there are some plastic bag. Is it my duty to pick them up? Not really, because I don't have the means to do it. But you know, some people, they will be courageous enough to pick them up. They will find a way. Yeah, I think it's not a big deal. I think the owner, yeah, actually there is the like a guy here managing the place, so they will collect that later. Yeah, and you also notice that there are so many mark of the vehicle here, so it means that the cars, they can actually drive around here. The name of the town is Singleton. Actually, the nearest city is Newcastle. And you know, when we are driving along the way, we are on top of the mountain and we see this lake, and it's beautiful. Oh, and here there is this duck. Yeah, this is the usual ducks that I know that we have in the Philippines. I mean, in my place, in my house with my parents when I was a kid. Yeah, these are the kinds of ducks that we have. There are also 3 kangaroos over there, and there is another camper. Oh, I can see from here that Inigo is already preparing the food. He is cooking already. Yeah, he likes to cook. I don't really like cooking. It is my work. Cooking is my job, but yeah, I'm actually just doing the standard in the kitchen. There is also this children's playground here in the middle of the peninsula, and there is this public place, common place, where there is a dining area, dining table. There is a washing area and cooking area. Very nice. There is not so much restriction in this area. Yeah, there is a way here of the vehicles. There is also a way there of the vehicles. But some people actually is driving from that side to get here. Not really good. There's toilet. There is also outdoor shower. Oh yeah, there is outdoor shower in this side. Earl is already preparing this.
Fishing ba?
Nung kumain ako nito, biglang sumakit yung tiyan ko.
Bakit?
Sobra na kasi kain ako ng kain simula pa nung umaga ng chichirya. Ariana is preparing the pancake.
Nakita mo na?
Nandun nga sa natutulog pa sila. Bakit sobrang mahina na?
Oo nga, o. Picture ako, ang sasaya ako.
Hindi niya ba magluto?
Hindi, wala na apoy, oh. Ano lasa ay? Meron ako isa. Meron ako isa? Oo. Sabi ko, remembrance ko kay...
And at the moment they are doing a cooking challenge. Inigo is making cake and Ariana is making pancake.
Who's gonna win?
Who's gonna win?
Paabot naman ang may
And
warmos ka dun eh.
the husband is fishing. Ready, we are packing down, and here in the van it is like this already. All these things is Inigo's things. Yeah, his sleeping set, his backpack. That's why this is just good for one person. Inside they already organized inside of the tent. Now they're going to put up the ladder. Yeah, ladder is part of the tent.
Diyan lang sa gitna para na matupi. Yan. Diba? Doon na lang itupi sa gitna. Meron pala yan.
Ah, yan pala yung nakaumbok na sa gitna.
Kailangan pa naman. Ang pagkakao dito.
Sleeping bag yun.
Normally madali ito eh. Medyo mahirap isipan.
We are almost ready to go and it is misting now. Little rain.
Sige, sige. Okay yan.
Sinadya ko yan. Hindi nila hanap yan. Ako na yun. And we are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square at the petrol station here in Caltex. And yeah, I'm running out of gasoline. Look at that warning that is yeah, it's running low, but it's still actually 115 kilometers more.